Okay, so what they've said is, no, we can't tell you how we did in 2022 because those funds don't exist. We've got new ones now. Honestly, they get away with it. Okay, it's a good marketing trick. The problem has been there for a long time. So I've said it. It's institutionalized robbery, how it happens. But in the industry, in the city, it happens. You get away with it. Valuation, these metrics, if you're going to do it yourself, if you don't want us to do it for you and give you all the data every month, then these are the things you want to be looking at. Not all of them. You can pick one from each. Okay, pick one from each, but at least have something there, okay, from each of these, so that you're filtering for every factor that could impact a company. That's my first column in the Financial Times, 1999. I've been doing this for a hell of a long time, my friends, and publishing my work in the Financial Times as well, including my weekly views. And that's where I said I'm buying US stocks. So this whole thing is not new. 26 years this 9/11. Okay, that I've been saying the same thing consistently. So forgive me if I've bored you at all. I've shown you that before. If you want to see the reviews of clients, you can go to a whole dedicated website where you can see the videos and case studies and all the rest of it. Now, if I've shown you how to do it yourself in broad terms, I'll answer questions in a second. If you want us to do everything for you, but not give us your money, you manage your own capital. You manage your own capital. And want the hand-holding and only want it once in a lifetime fee, because we don't charge subscriptions or anything. Because what we want to do is replace St. James's Place. We want to be floated and be on the FTSE 100 and replace them by making sure the client has the data and the knowledge so that they can take my place on the BBC. They can say, right, I like this portfolio. It suits my drawdown. That's what I'm going with, rather than an IFA spraying and praying in a load of funds which are unsuitable. You pick from the stocks, and we handhold you and show you and educate you and inform you. We give you the education and the information, and then run the numbers for your model portfolio and say, yeah, the annualized, that's what that's generated. Doesn't mean it's guaranteed to in the future. These are the drawdowns. These companies tick the value, growth, income, cash flow box. So now you know what you own, why you own it. You understand why you own it. You know how it's done in the past. You see the projections into the future and the returns, and it meets your goals. Boom, relax. And here's a process for you to handle. So we wanted to turn everything on its head and give you the data, make you the expert. But by turning everything on its head from what St. James's Place does, it meant we couldn't charge you fees. It meant we couldn't keep hold of your money. It meant you held your money. It meant you chose whichever broker you want. But we made it simple.